Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video, and today we're talking about the top 5 features that Cash App could be bringing in 2021. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. If you aren't familiar with this app, it's a full service banking and investing app. You can find hundreds of tutorials and experiments on my channel if you're interested in learning more. Today we're talking about 5 top features that I think Cash App could be bringing in 2021 to help expand their app, make it better to use, and compete with their competitors. Starting off, number 1, a simple one. Every user has a cash tag. You can tap your profile icon in the top right corner and it's going to display your cash tag right here. Now currently you can only send money to someone using their cash tag. I'm hoping in the future you'll be able to send Bitcoin and stocks from the investing section to any user simply using their cash tag. That would be a dope feature. The second one is super long shot, but a lot of these companies that handle a lot of cryptocurrency make their own token or their own stable token like USDC or USDG. So that could be something that we see in the future for Cash App. For people who want to own a cryptocurrency, have a stable token and it's not as volatile as Bitcoin. They have lots of users, lots of funds in their app to sort of back this, I think. So that could be an interesting play for them. The third item, I believe they'll be adding more cryptocurrencies in their app. Currently they only have Bitcoin, as you can see here. I do an experiment where I buy $1 of Bitcoin every day on my channel. So definitely check that out if you're interested. Let's open up something like Coinbase here. And you can see they have lots of different currencies. USD Coin, DAI, Tezos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, 0x, Zcash, Yearn Finance. The list goes on and on. So I would expect for Cash App to start adding some of these top currencies into their app as well. The fourth one, I believe they might start doing Bitcoin rewards for all purchases with the Cash App card. So when you have Cash App, you can get a physical card sent to you. You can swipe that to use your Cash App balance. You can see right here you can earn 3% of Bitcoin back on purchases. So this is a limited offer where they were testing it a little bit. So I think they might make a move to do Bitcoin back on all purchases. We can see other apps like BlockFi up here at the top. Coming soon, the world's first Bitcoin rewards credit card. Fold. The Fold card is coming soon. So a lot of different companies are working on these Bitcoin back rewards credit cards type thing. Cash App's already doing it. I'm just interested to see if they'll implement it on all purchases. And the fifth one, which I think would be the biggest one, would be to give a return on the assets that are held in the app, like an APY. So like if you hold cash in your account, you should be getting some sort of return for that. Other apps like Outlet are giving 6% per year, which you can see up at the top. BlockFi is giving 6% on Bitcoin, 8.6% on stable coins, 5.25% on Ethereum. Celsius logged me out. I don't know about that, but they're also giving returns like 10% on stable coins, 6% on Bitcoin. So I'd like to see Cash App enter that space as well, start to give a return for people that are holding their investments in this app. Everyone else is doing it, so it seems reasonable that Cash App would try this as well. They certainly have the means, the talent within Cash App to build something like this if these other small companies are already doing it. But there it is, the top 5 features I'd like to see added to Cash App in 2021. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Definitely check out some of the other ones on my channel. Like I said, there's hundreds of tutorials and experiments surrounding these topics. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might win.